Hey guys, welcome once again to my channel. This is Evangel Family and Recipes. Today I just want to show you how I clean and prep my shrimps. This is one thing I love so much to add to my dishes, or to make it as a side dish, or even to use it as a snack. Especially if you're on your weight loss journey, you could make this as a snack and maybe just eat it and drink water. Yeah, so I love it so much. Anytime, I go to the fish market or they bring some fish to my house to buy, I usually buy shrimps. I usually buy shrimps. Sometimes I might buy 3 kg, 4 kg, 5 kg, depending on how I feel at that particular moment. So this is like 2 kg shrimp, which means I have used part of it. Yeah, but I bought it during the weekdays, so I decided to clean and wash it this weekend. So I'm trying to show you how I remove the shells and then I degut. If you don't degut your shrimps, how will you enjoy it? Because it will be so sandy. If you're eating it, you'll be getting that sandy feeling. That's because you did not degut it. You should always take your time to degut your shrimps. So thank you so much. Subscribe, like, share, comment. Like how I wash and prep my fish, I also like to wash as many times as possible just to make it, as clean as possible. Because sometimes I just pop this into the oven, just marinate, pop into the oven, and then my snack is ready. And sometimes I just put it as a side dish. So keep watching. Yeah, guys, please, as you're watching, do not forget to subscribe, comment, share, like. Let me hear from you. I love to read my comments. Let me hear from you. Let me know what you think. How do you prep your shrimps, or do you buy the already prepped ones from your grocery stores? Which one do you prefer? Or you pay a little token for those people at the fish market to, prep and wash it on your behalf? But for me, I have fun prepping my shrimps. I have fun doing all those things by myself. It's actually how, I mean, I rest. It's actually how I just recreate. Yes, I love doing these kind of things by myself. What about you? Please, if you have been watching and you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? And please do not forget to share, let people see these videos, okay? Thank you so much.